Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel that's all about staying strong, active, and pain-free, no matter your age. If you're over 60, and you've noticed your muscles feel weaker, your balance isn't quite what it used to be, or you've lost a bit of your strength over the years, you're not alone. But here's the good news. Just 1 spoon a day of the right nutrient-rich food can help you rebuild lost muscle, improve strength, and support your energy, backed by real science. And in this video, we'll also uncover the common foods silently damaging your aging body, foods that may be sabotaging your progress without you even knowing. So grab a pen, maybe a warm drink, and let's dive into some empowering knowledge that can truly change how your body feels and functions. Placing a spoonful of Greek yogurt into a bowl. Let's start with the 1 spoon a day strategy, because small habits can make a big difference after 60. So, what's that magical spoonful? 1 spoon of high-quality protein. One of the simplest yet most powerful ways to support muscle health after 60 is by getting enough high-quality protein, especially first thing in the morning. As we age, our bodies naturally lose muscle mass, a process called sarcopenia. In fact, after age 60, we can lose up to 3–5% of our muscle every decade if we're not careful. That's why a single tablespoon of something like Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, nut butter, like almond or peanut butter, or even a scoop of protein powder in your morning drink, can help kickstart muscle repair and prevent that slow decline. Muscle cell diagram animation showing protein synthesis process. Gently informative. But here's what most people don't realize. It's not just about eating protein, it's when and how often you eat it. Studies from the Journal of Nutrition in Healthy Aging show that even distribution of protein throughout the day, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, leads to greater muscle strength and balance compared to eating it all at once in the evening. So that 1 spoonful in the morning isn't just symbolic, it's strategic. It tells your body, hey, time to build muscle today. Visuals of seniors doing gentle strength exercises or walking. Now let's talk about the flip side. Common foods that quietly damage aging bodies. While adding the right nutrients can help rebuild your strength, there are certain foods that may be causing silent inflammation, joint pain, or even accelerating muscle loss, without you realizing it. Let's walk through the top 3 culprits. 1. Refined vegetable oils. Bottles of corn oil, soybean oil, sunflower oil. Concerned. Refined oils like corn oil, soybean oil, and sunflower oil may seem harmless. But they're high in omega-6 fats, which, when consumed in excess, can lead to chronic inflammation. That inflammation affects your joints, slows your recovery from exercise, and even interferes with muscle repair. Instead of cooking with those, switch to extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, or even a small spoon of grass-fed ghee. These are rich in healthy fats that support your heart, brain, and muscle tissue. 2. Refined carbs and white flour products. White bread, pasta, pastries. These foods spike your blood sugar, then drop it, leaving you tired, hungry, and weaker over time. Even worse, refined carbs contribute to muscle breakdown, especially when they replace the protein and fiber your body really needs. Try replacing them with oats or quinoa for breakfast, whole grain or legume-based pastas, or a slice of sprouted grain bread. Your muscles will thank you, and so will your energy levels. 3. Processed meats and packaged snacks. Sausages, chips, packaged deli meats. These are often filled with preservatives, sodium, and chemical additives that burden your liver, spike inflammation, and stress your muscles. Plus, most of them offer little to no real nutrition. Instead, go for fresh lean meats like turkey or chicken, boiled eggs, or plant-based options like tofu or lentils. Host at a kitchen counter again, placing a spoonful of peanut butter onto a piece of whole grain toast. Encouraging. See how simple it can be. 1 spoon of real, nourishing protein. Swapping harmful oils for healthy fats. Choosing real, whole foods instead of packaged stuff. It doesn't take a complete overhaul, just a few smart swaps and small daily actions.